If you love what you see, subscribe to our channel. We have so much more to show you.
Don't miss out on our future videos. Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
The magnifier shows perfect plumage. Good.
Tablet confirms vaccination status is up to date. Let's go, flock. Inside you go. Nice and easy now.
Morning, Mike. Did the night shift finish the sanitation check?
Yeah, all clear. All clear. We're ready for the first batch.
Keep the flow steady. We are hitting peak capacity.
Everything looks good from here.
If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.
And stay tuned for more amazing content.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our updates.
Keep the pressure steady at this point.
Confirmed. We must maintain the sterilization levels required.
We still have some moisture here. I just adjusted the flow rate. It should be fine now.
Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content from our factory.
We have the latest batch of marinated samples for consistency testing.
Excellent. Bring them over here. We'll start the analysis immediately.
Okay, the Chester is approved. Let's get these trays moving. I have the packaging ready right here.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more behind-the-scenes action here at our factory.
Ensure the temperature is maintained and we are almost ready for sealing.
Yes, the next batch is coming through now. Quickly.
We need to check aisle 4 next. The readings were fluctuating.
We need 3 more pallets over here.
Yeah.
Coming right up, just clearing the bay.
Dispatch, this is Unit 2. Approaching the docks on schedule, ETA 5 minutes.